Hi Gemini, this is your general reading for the month of April. You can now follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, and if you want to book a private reading, all of those links are in the description box. If this resonates with you, then please like, share and subscribe and leave me a comment. I would greatly appreciate. If this does not resonate with you at all, do check your moon, rising and Venus signs, as this will not resonate with every Gemini out there. Cross watchers, please keep in mind that some of the energies are interchangeable or vice versa, so take however it may resonate. Let's see. This is for Gemini for the month of April 2022. Let's see, Gemini. Adversity. I accept that challenges are the best way to learn. So in the month of April, you could be facing some challenges, right? Maybe in your career, in your personal life, regarding your love life. It could be regarding anything, but I see that you'll be facing a little bit of blockages or some sort of challenges in the month of April. But you need to believe that these challenges are there for a reason, right? You're meant to accept these challenges. Actually you need to accept these challenges because they're there to show you something, and it will eventually definitely lead to something beautiful, right? So challenges in the month of April. And then we have service. I feel good when I can help others. So probably for some of you, I feel you guys could be doing some sort of service in the month of April, maybe volunteering or doing some social work, getting in touch with some sort of an organization, maybe an NGO, or just doing some charity work, or it could be even a simple act of just helping someone else, right? So service is being highlighted in the month of April. Adversity and service. So let's see right what the tarot has to say. Okay, this is for Gemini for the month of April. I'm gonna cover your love life as well as your career, right? So let's see. This is general reading for Geminis for the month of April 2022. Please show me what the Gemini is dealing with in the month of April. Okay. Knight of Pentacles and Seven of Swords. Okay. Alright, so I think for a lot of you, this could be regarding money, right? So whatever you had manifested for yourself, maybe some sort of a job opportunity, and maybe you wanted some change in your current job, or there's something that you've been waiting for a very long time to happen to you in your career regarding your job, or something of that sort, and it's taking a lot of time to manifest, right? And now you kind of I think you're just falling into that loop of like it's not gonna happen for you. You're kind of in a state of denial. That's what I see here, right? Because it's taking a long time. But I see here some sort of a job opportunity is manifesting for you. It's going to take a little bit of a time here, right? Probably in the month of April, it's kind of still in the initial stages. It's going to take time, but it's taking some sort of shape and form here. But I feel for you guys, you're just kind of in denial about something here, right? You don't want to face the truth here. It could be regarding this job matter, or I think if it's regarding your love life, then I feel that for some of you, I feel you're being asked to step up into this Knight of Pentacles energy, right? Sincere, grounded, genuine energy, right? For some of you, and you just don't want to face it, right? You're being asked to face your relationships. You're being asked to step up in your relationship, as show up in your relationship as Knight of Pentacles, who's someone who's serious, someone who's grounded, and who has got some serious offers, and you kind of in denial about this whole situation. You don't want to step up into your Knight of Pentacles energy. For some of you, you could be dealing with one, it could be an earth sign, right? Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. But I see here that a lot of self-sabotaging is going on around this energy, this Knight of Pentacles, right? Okay, tell me more about Gemini's love life for the month of April. Please show me about Gemini's love life. What's happening in their love life in the month of April for Geminis? Okay, Knight of Swords, and then we have the Sun card. So I feel something out of the blue, some sort of unexpected communication is coming towards you, Gemini. Somebody is making a move here. I see two knights here, right? So someone is kind of slow and steady, and someone else just wants to rush towards you, right? And there is some sort of clarity that is coming towards you in the month of April, right, Gemini? So you're gonna see things in a very clear way, and everything would be just made crystal clear to you. So a lot of clarity is coming to you. And this I think this instant communication or whatever news that is coming towards you out of the blue in the month of April is going to make you very happy. So you can expect some sort of a surprise communication coming towards you from your person, and it's just going to make you so much happy, Gemini, right? This could be an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, another Gemini, Libra, or you could be dealing with a Leo. But I see here that some sort of an unexpected news, communication, some sort of an unexpected event, somebody's coming towards you really fast. They want to really rush towards you, and yeah, and this is something that's going to make you so happy, right? So, and probably for a lot of you, I see, Gemini, that probably you're just not seeing this the way you need to, right? You're not seeing this. You're not the picture is not clear to you, but things will get clear. They will become clear in the month of April, right? So let's see what else do we have for the Gemini here. Please tell me about the person Gemini is dealing with in the month of April. Tell me more about the person Gemini is dealing with in the month of April. Oh, King of Cups, beautiful card. This is so beautiful. This is someone who cares for you, Gemini. You can't just, I mean, King of Cups is someone who's who has feelings for you. They think about you, they care for you, they have feelings for you. And yeah, I mean, it could be a water sign, right? But I feel here that there's some kind of rejection going on here. Somebody is feeling left out. Someone is feeling left out. Someone is feeling ignored right now. And there's a lot of self-sabotaging going on around here, because this person doesn't want to be rejected. Probably you're dealing with someone who has feelings for you, but they just don't let you know about it because they have a fear of rejection, right? That you might just reject them, you might leave them alone and just walk away at one point in your relationship. So all these things really makes this person insecure. If you're dealing with a water sign, Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces, right? So this is your reading. So I see here that this person, they have feelings for you, and they want to come towards you with the right kind of offer, with a solid commitment, but they definitely have a fear of rejection and abandonment. So they kind of self-sabotage this whole connection, right? Again, this could be an earth sign. Okay, tell me more about this person, please. What are this person's intention towards Gemini? Please show me this person's intention towards Gemini. Let's see. Yeah, they're manifesting you, Gemini. They're manifesting you. And I see beautiful new beginnings coming towards you. Yeah. Oh my god, we have three new beginning cards in front of me for the month of April. So I definitely see some sort of a beautiful new beginning is coming towards you, Gemini, in the month of April. This person is manifesting you. That's their intention. And I feel that they want to take a leap of faith with you here. And unexpectedly you can just receive some sort of a communication from them, right? Some sort of a communication, something they're planning, something they're doing, something is cooking up, you know, they're working at it, and they're gonna take a leap of faith in this connection with you, Gemini. And it's gonna be, you know, it's all gonna happen fast. You won't even know it, and this will make you very happy, Gemini. This is a beautiful card. You could be dealing with another Gemini or a Virgo, right? Or could be an air sign. But I see here that this person, they have feelings for you. It's just that they need to work on their fears and insecurities, rejection, wounds, and all that. And they're manifesting you, right? They're manifesting you, and I see a beautiful new beginning happening for you. So much of love they have for you, Gemini. I can really feel it through this reading, right? This could be a little bit of a challenge for this person, right? As well as for you. But I see that they want to, you know, they want to give you that love. They want to come towards you and, you know, be helpful to you in some way. Like they want to be of service to you. That's what I feel. Okay. Oh, the Lovers card came out. Yeah. So definitely you both have passionate feelings for each other. There's a lot of love that's brewing between the two of you. A lot of passion I see here. Right? This could be, you could be dealing with another Gemini. So yeah, I see here a lot of attraction going on. It's just about making a choice here, right? This is your card, Gemini. So I feel you're in control of this whole situation, this whole connection, where it's headed, in which way, in which direction it's headed. So you're in control, right? This is your card. So you definitely feel a lot of passion towards this person, right? But you're still kind of, I guess, making up your mind whether to follow your head or your heart. I feel, Gemini, you want this person to come towards you in the correct and proper way, right? You want a solid commitment from this person. That's what I see here. But this person has, you know, they kind of lock themselves up, and they're not very vulnerable with their feelings towards you, right? They don't show you how they truly care for you, how much they miss you, how much they care for you. But you want them to do that, right? So please show me the intentions of Gemini towards this person. What are the intentions of Gemini? Okay, 3 of Cups. So you want to meet this person, you want to, you know, get back and have fun with this person, and you just want to get together and have happy times, right? For a lot of you, I feel that you could be having some sort of a reunion in the month of April, right? This could be a family reunion, or you could be getting back together with friends, planning some sort of a vacation, right? And for others of you, I see a reunion happening for you with this person. This person, I feel they just gonna unexpectedly, they'll land up at your door, right? And you're just gonna meet this person in the month of April. If you guys haven't met for a long time, right? So I see a reunion happening here. Could be a water sign, again, Pisces, Scorpio, Cancer. Okay, so please show me what else for Gemini in the month of April regarding this connection. Please show me what else does the Gemini needs to know regarding this connection in the month of April. I feel, Gemini, this is your energy, right? 2 of Swords. Again, it could be another earth sign, air sign you could be dealing with, but I feel this is your energy, and you're kind of confused, right? You don't actually see what's coming towards you. But I see here a beautiful new beginning is coming towards you. This person is coming towards you with a, you know, in a sincere and genuine way. They have a lot of feelings for you. They think about you. They care for you, right? But you're confused. You're not seeing things for what they are. But I'm telling you, it's soon a big surprise is coming towards you. There's a reunion happening, right? But you don't want to deal with any of this. It's like you've just blindfolded yourself and you don't want to see what's happening. You don't, even if you feel it, you don't want to believe it, right? Because you want to see what is happening. But you have to believe, Gemini, right? You have to follow your heart and believe that whatever is happening, it's just there. You have to believe in your inner voice. Okay, what else for Gemini in the month of April? Please show me more for Gemini in the month of April regarding this connection. Okay, so for some of you, I see that you want some time out with yourself, right? You want to be left out alone. You're probably doing some soul searching. Your focus in the month of April will be on you, your positive self growth, development, and you're just thinking about yourself, where you're going, which direction you're going in, what do you really want out of life. All these questions are coming up for review in the month of April for you, Gemini. So I feel that even though a lot of things are happening under the surface, but you're asking a lot of questions to yourself, right? What do you actually want out of this connection? What it is that and I feel with the Seven of Swords here, you're actually questioning your own self-sabotaging habits, right? Which I think is really good. You could be dealing with another Virgo here, right? So yeah, I see you guys doing a lot of soul searching in the month of April. Okay, so what is the outcome here regarding this love connection Gemini is dealing with? What is the outcome of this love connection? Let's see. Oh wow, beautiful new beginning coming towards you, Gemini. Ace of Pentacles. So this person, definitely this person, it could be an earth sign. I'm seeing here a lot of earth, right? Definitely this person is planning to come towards you with a solid offer and commitment. That's what I see here. Yeah, this could be someone from your past life, right? Could be an ex-lover, but even if it's an ex-lover, Gemini, I feel that this person now they've leveled up. They've done a lot of inner work, right? And this time they're gonna come back in a genuine and serious way. They're serious about you, Gemini. They miss you. They feel you, and there's some nostalgic moments, and they're just kind of missing this whole connection. They want to be with you. So I see a reunion happening, and they're coming towards you with a long-term commitment and a long-term offer. So that's really nice. What is the advice, please, for Gemini for the month of April regarding this love connection? What is the advice for Gemini? What is the advice for Gemini regarding this love connection for the month of April? Yeah, advice for you, Gemini, is to keep lines of communication open, because a lot of communication is coming towards you. This person is definitely coming towards you, and they have a lot to say to you, right? And whatever they're going to say this time, they'll be genuine and honest to you about whatever they feel, about what they want, what they're planning for the future, right? So you have to be really, advice is to just keep doing, keep your mindset positive, I would say, and keep your focus on yourself, right? On your self-care, on your, just be independent and, do your own thing while this person is coming towards you. You won't even get to know, I feel. It's going to happen all of a sudden. But I see beautiful new beginnings coming towards you. Don't be stuck in your head, right? Keep the lines of communication open. I see a beautiful reunion happening for you guys in the month of April, and this person is definitely, they're going to open up to you, right? And they're going to tell you how much they missed you, right? They want to have a beautiful future with you. That's what I see here for you guys, Gemini, right? So let's pull out some romance angels, romance messages. Please show me some love messages for Gemini for the month of April. Okay, let's see. Forgiving and learning. As you release and heal the past, you experience more love in your present moments, right? So all this self-sabotaging is coming from your past, Gemini, right? Probably you guys you've had some bad relationships in the past, right? Some relationships, some connections that didn't work out, and that's kind of it's still those relationships are still lingering in your energy space. So you need to release, you need to heal the past, right? Because a beautiful new beginning is coming towards you, and you need to just forgive and move on. And I see wedding. This situation involves marriage. So I told you that this person is coming towards you with a long-term offer and commitment. Probably they're gonna offer a marriage to you. I see here that there's some sort of challenges that you have to overcome, and probably it's these challenges I see here, it's happening only because you're growing, right? So you have to first stand on your own 2 feet, and then only this person can come towards you with a beautiful offer of love. They're going to express their feelings to you, and it will feel even more, you'll be even more happy, because you know the worth of it, right? So beautiful reading, Gemini, regarding your love. And regarding your career, I see that for you guys, if you've been waiting for a job offer or some sort of a career change for a long time, then that's happening for you in the month of April, right? I see some sort of an unexpected communication or a job offer coming to you out of the blue. Maybe there could be a choice also. You could be presented with a choice. You have to choose between 2 job offers, or some sort of that thing is happening for you in the month of April. But I see a lot of happiness and positivity is coming to you. The only thing is not to self-sabotage your own success, right? Go after what you want, what you believe in. Whatever job opportunity or career offer is coming towards you, job offer is coming towards you, just go after what your heart wants, right? Don't try to don't try to let your low self-esteem or low self-worth issues come in the way of whatever you want to achieve, because I see beautiful new beginnings coming towards you in the month of April regarding your career, your finances look good, right? Maybe a little bit of financial difficulty could be there in the second week of April, but I see that again after that you'll be blooming. I mean, you're manifesting beautiful financial abundance for yourself, and all that is coming to fruition, all that is happening for you, right? But I see choices, you could be given some choices regarding your career, job offers, and you will have to think about what it is that you really want. So you could be working on projects, I feel, in the month of April with your teammates, and there's going to be fun at workplace, like parties happening at the workplace, But I see here a lot of new job offer coming towards you, a career opportunity or some sort of a financial abundance, windfall, high promotion, anything. But definitely for some of you, I see that you could be investing in some sort of a big investment you guys will be making in the month of April. For some of you could be buying a house for yourself, right? All that is working out for you beautifully. But yeah, keep your lines of communication open, because I see here for some of you news could be coming to you regarding your job, or from a company, or some sort of that thing that you've been waiting for. But I see here a lot of financial abundance. You look beautiful financially, especially towards the end of April. Everything is working out wonderfully for you regarding your career as well as your love life. It's everything looks beautiful, right? So that was your reading, Gemini, for the month of April 2022. Hope you enjoyed it. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.